What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Finally, we're doing something about the Alpha, and I said I'm going to get the exhausts and the diffuser, and now I got myself a diffuser, a pretty nice one. Actually, it's roughly made, so we really have to clean it and to sand it, and then we can spray it in almost black, because it's, as you can see, not sprayed in black. And I don't want a white diffuser. I mean, it's clear, right? So this is a close-up shot, and if you can see that it has some scratches here and there. It's pretty rough, and it's made out of glass fabricate, but it has some dents in it. This here, for example, it's not really pretty, so we really have to sand it a lot to get it on one level, and then we can fill it, and then we can spray it in some sort of gray black. I already bought plastic dip for that. Alright, so we covered the whole room in plastic foil sort of thing to prevent everything from getting painted. So what are we doing now is to fill the gaps that are still left on the diffuser, because you know the texture is not the best texture that is on earth. Yeah, you've seen that in the sanding part of the video. We're going to put a new layer on it now, and then we'll have to wait until it's dry, and then we'll have to sand it again, probably. Yeah, I'm excited to sand again. Yeah, now let's just say let's get going. I never did that before. I have to inform you, I never used this, yeah, spray pistol sort of thing. Haven't even painted anything with a spray can before, but I said to myself, before I paint the whole diffuser with a spray can in plastic dip, I'll definitely go a little more professional, but this, yeah, cheap spray pistol, so, yeah, professional, you get the point. But I didn't want to use the spray cans. That's just what I did not want to do at all. Okay, okay, so give me a second. Actually, this did not turn out as well as I expected it to turn out, but I think that's normal when you work with painting things, when you work with, yeah, paint in general. On several channels that I follow, especially Jinjin, for example, if you know him, he's always complaining about how the paints look that he's doing himself. So I guess I'm not the only one that has issues painting things, especially when it's the first time in your life when you paint something, which was the case here. This is basically just the under layer, so I'm not really bothered about that. What's bothering me is that when I paint it tomorrow in black with plastic, that this is going to look just as awful as this does right now. But we're sanding it again, so all the noses and all the, you know, bumps and stuff, it's going to go away, hopefully. So yeah, tomorrow I'll need to paint it black, and I'll see you there. Alright, so day 2 of doing things about the diffuser, or actually day 3 if you take the sanding in the beginning as a work day. So we're sanding again today. Sorry for glasses and messed up hair. Sunday is lazy day. Some of the textures are not that pretty. So I'm going to sand it now, trying to get it super smooth, and then we can apply the paint job or the plasti dip. Alright, I spent like the whole day sanding this shit. It's now almost 9 p.m. and I've been starting at 3 p.m. I think. So now we're cleaning it, giving a final clean with some, actually it's sanding paste, but it doesn't matter. I'm doing it with this sponge and then wiping all of it up, so we got a very clean surface, and then we're going to dip it, and then next week we're going to install it together with the exhaust. I'm exhausted. No, I'm excited. So yeah, I'd say let's start with the cleaning. Okay, yeah, it's clean. Let's go and paint it. Okay, you maybe saw that there's something coming out of the spray pistol, which is stuff from yesterday, from the filler. So we'll probably have to wait and rip it off again, I don't know. Alright, so we had a big problem. Yeah, we've totally failed dipping the diffuser because there were still some small, well, dry parts, little fragments of the basic paint, or the filler, like I called it all the time, from yesterday inside the spray system. So what happened is that the dip came out together with these fragments, so I had like little pickles on top of the surface. You gotta learn out of your mistakes. I just messed it up totally, so I'll have to wait until next weekend when I'm coming back home again to peel off the dip that is on right now and to apply some dip without fragments this time on the diffuser again. I also saw that my current diffuser, which is the OEM diffuser, is pretty black, as you can see right here. This is, well, the piece that is still visible from the OEM diffuser, and it's kind of black, so I'll need a lot of layers of that plastic dip to get it that black, and this is going to take a lot more of the dip because I only have 3 cans and I used 2 already, and I messed it up now, so I just have like 1.5 left, and this is definitely not enough to get well, to have that diffuser be this black. You know, you get the point. Okay, anyway guys, I still hope you enjoyed the video. I did not enjoy to fail, but I think it was kind of amusing for you maybe. I will learn out of this mistake. If you're new to the channel, stay tuned for the next video, because then I'll probably not mess it up. I say probably because it could happen again, but I don't know, let's see. And hopefully we can also install the exhaust next time together with the diffuser. So I'm planning to do that on Friday, guys, and until then, check out my Need for Speed videos, which are also coming out during the week, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.